Are you a small business owner struggling to secure funding? First Coast Small Business Consulting is here to help. In this video, we'll guide you through 10 crucial steps to identify credit repair priorities and achieve your business goals. Start by obtaining your credit reports from major bureaus like Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Understanding your creditworthiness is crucial. Note your credit scores provided with each report and identify areas for improvement. Scan your reports for negative marks and address them promptly with our guidance. Evaluate your credit card balances and develop a plan to reduce them. Review your payment history and make sure you're consistently making on-time payments. Manage multiple credit inquiries effectively. Assess your overall debt levels and develop a plan to reduce it. Review your reports for errors or discrepancies and dispute them with the bureaus. Based on your review, prioritize areas needing attention. Create a comprehensive action plan with achievable goals and timelines. Don't let credit challenges hinder your access to funding. Take proactive steps today with First Coast Small Business Consulting by your side. Unlock your funding potential and set your business on the path to success. Visit our website to learn more.